Hi there, knot tires, adventurers, and anyone who's ever looked at a rope and thought, there's gotta be a better way. Welcome back to the channel, where we're all about taking the mystery out of knots and putting the power back in your hands. Today, we're diving deep into a knot that's a real game changer, the Star Hitch. Now you might be thinking, another knot? Seriously? But trust me on this one. The Star Hitch isn't just another knot. It's a versatile, reliable, and downright ingenious piece of rope work that's going to make your life easier, whether you're climbing, sailing, or just trying to secure something to the roof of your car. In this video, I'm going to break down the Star Hitch step by step, nice and slow, so even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be tying this knot like a pro in no time. Let's go!